Well, it looks like it's a Category 5 storm here. We're in Joey and Marlene's temple. Ever since it's been put up for a week, it's been fucking blowing and tornadoing. You can tell by Marlene's hair, it's just Tornado City here. It's unreal. It's Tornado City. You can hear the water coming down. The light bulb is about to pop there pretty soon. It's Jesus, thunder and lightning. I guess I'll have a bit of Bloody Caesar, calm my nerves. Ugh. Don't close the curtain, I'm claustrophobic. We'll be with Ryan Reynolds there when he's encased in the coffin there. Buried. Is exactly what I feel right now. I'm buried.
Well, it's nice though now. It's all closed up.
Look how scary it is in here.
Look at the double fingers, okay? Jimmy, double.
It's scary, I'm telling you, it's scary. Oh, I can see cracks in the floor. We can breathe for a while. I can see daylight. I'm gonna have to fucking start clawing my way out of here pretty soon.
I think we'll get a fan now.
I can't breathe. I really can't breathe.
There's no ceiling fans for these things? I think you do, eh? All ceiling fans.
Yeah, they work by osmosis. Explain osmosis.
Water and electricity.
Get a solar ceiling fan. It's fucking hot, I'm telling you. Oh, snowman.
Hey, George, give me your hand.
Give him a rope. We'll pull him back if he doesn't make it.
If you don't make it 3 seconds, we're leaving without you.
Holy Jesus.
Run, Forrest.